I'm going to die if you don't meet me, Maya. Maya, do you know who I am? I am Rishi Mrityunjay Roy. I'm not a roadside Romeo who's gonna do all this for your attention. You don't see 35 missed calls? And the messages? Don't you see me? You came to my college and you followed me as well, and then you disappeared. What's wrong with you? You came to the club with another man just to meet me? I mean, what was that about? Who was he? Tell me his name. Who was he? I'm going to kill him. Come on, Maya, say something. Oh God, what have you done? Oh my God, are you okay? Are you okay? Why did you do this to yourself? Now what do I do? Tell me, what should I do? Please tell me. Oh God, what have you done to yourself? Maya, just wait here. I'll get the first aid kit.
What happened, MJ?
For the first time in life, my son didn't answer my call.
He might be busy, MJ. I'm sure he will give his guest list later. I'll manage that, don't worry. All the arrangements for the party have been done. I'm sure it will be fabulous this year
Make
also.
sure Rudra's investor come to the party. Amir,
Of course.
I want to see who is coming between me and my son. This game will be played by my rules now.
Why did you do it? It must have hurt a lot.
It must have hurt you as well. And if I caused that pain, then shouldn't I be punished? I'm sorry. But I love you. You must have been in pain because of me. From today onwards, I'll be responsible for you. I am responsible for all your wounds
wait,
now.
it's okay, it's
I
fine,
will
I'm
heal
all
your
right,
wound.
I'm going to die, Maya. If you don't meet me. I want to see you. Right now. Actually...
Did you lie to me?
No.
If you lie in the beginning of a relationship, then it will end in betrayal, won't it?
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Maya. I'm sorry. I didn't want to hurt you. I did it for your attention. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. No more lies. No more lies from now. I will do whatever you say, as you say. I love you.
What happened?
What do you mean? I was just looking at you.
I was looking cute,
No,
right?
you look like a witch.
Please, okay? Maya is the bitch.
Go to sleep. Go to sleep. My princess, sleep. Mom and dad will come. They will bring you food. Go to sleep.
What happened? What happened?
Nothing. You can sleep. What's wrong with me? Why do I see Maya and Daya?
What? What did you say? No, you don't. This isn't love, but infatuation.
No, Maya.
No,
I
you
really-
don't. Do you even know who I am? Is it the one who's standing before you or the one who, until now, was lost in darkness? Do you know who I am?
I don't know that. And I don't even want to know. I love this Maya, who is right in front of me.
The one who is before you has a dark past, where your dear ones gave her lies, betrayal, and deceit. They snatched away the light of my life.
My dear ones?
The people who have money and power just like you. They don't know anything else but lying and cheating. Aren't they your dear ones?
No. No, Maya, I'm not like them. I love you. I seriously do. And I will wipe away the darkness of your past, and I won't let your past haunt your present in any way. Just trust me. I really love you.
Then prove it. I don't want this because it is your dad's.
Relax. Relax, Antara. Calm down.
Even after 30 years, don't I exist in your world?
This is you, which is sometimes needed and sometimes not. It's time to come back to the real life, Antara.
I don't love your dad's money, but his son. If you wholeheartedly give me even a small chocolate, then that would be sufficient.
Just a minute. Give me a minute.
Oh my God. Rishi, I sure. You're proposing me? Are you proposing me? Are you sure?
Yes, of course, of course.
Is this what you want?
Mrityunjay, give me my medicine.
Mrityunjay, please.
Mrityunjay, please. Please.
All right, but on one condition. You have to make sure that Rudra comes to the party.
Rudra will not come.
Then you're not going to get this. Neither will I come.
I've been waiting for this day since years. Promise me that until you are alive, you're going to be with me.
Yes. I already have a planning of being yours forever.
Until your last breath. Till your last breath, you will have my name on the tip of your tongue.
Maya. I love you, Maya. I'm never gonna leave.
Are you going to leave me and go?
I have no other choice, Antara. If you're unable to bring my son to me, then I will not be able to come to you. You love me, right?
Yes.
Then prove your love to me. Bring Rudra to the party or else I will leave you and go away. And you know that it doesn't take time for me to detach.
All my life, I have just been betrayed and cheated. I hope you will not do the same with me.
Your loss will be my loss, Maya. After all, Miss Rishi Mrityunjay Roy can never lose, right?
And when am I going to become Mrs. Roy?
Very soon. I mean,
Well, actually, we shouldn't get married so soon.
yes. Thank God I escaped.
It's important to be in love before getting married.
Yes, you're right. Of course. I mean, after marriage, we'll have responsibilities. And now we should enjoy it, right?
Exactly. So, we should get to know each other better for the next 10 to 15 days. We should spend time with each other.
10, 15 days?
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
Rishi, I know that all this is happening very soon. But I've found you and I don't want to be away from you.
I'll talk
You're not
to
going to
Dad.
tell your dad anything. I mean, you proposed to me a while back. I don't want anyone coming in between us, neither a shadow nor a doubt. Just you and me. Once we decide the wedding date, then we'll inform everyone.